Hi guys, good morning. It's Inday Vida here. So guys, I'm here outside. As you can see, yeah, a lot of snow still. As you can see now, it's a lot of snow still. So I want to show you our tulips, guys. It's already sprouting. I don't know why it's too early, or maybe it's that time of year to sprout them. So let's see. But before that, guys, I didn't clean this here yet, but I'm gonna show you all the tulips that we got. Okay, first one in here. I saw some tulips earlier in here because it's already melted this in here, guys. Okay, so in here, as you can see that, guys, that one. Yeah, so that's the tulips. I want to try that to remove some of it. So that's the tulips, guys, as you can see. So they're growing now over here too. Yep, that's tulips. All our tulips is in here. It's growing, as you can see. Hala, but they got still snow over here. That's the tulips. And over here too, guys, a lot of tulips in here. As you can see, we got plenty of tulips. Okay, so let's try to remove some of it. This one is a weed, so we need to remove that. Let's try to remove that, guys. Still frozen. So I'm gonna show you all of it. Oh, that's tulips, guys. As you can see, tulips is growing. And over here too. Wow, this one is too big now. But they got a lot of weeds, guys, so I supposed to clean this in here, this area, so you can see all the tulips. This one, guys, we grow this last year. Yeah, so last year we got tulips. It's already bloom. And over here also other tulips. Holy, as you can see, all this one, guys, is tulips. And that one, but this one I need to remove this, that one. So look at that, all the tulips. Wow. So we got in here, we plant a lot of tulips. Yeah, and as you can see, this in here also, this one is the daylilies. And some the hydrangeas. I know it's not hydrangeas, it's different, guys. It's color pink, white, and purple. As you can see, my old picture, we got that over there. So look at that, all the tulips over here too. That's tulips. Here it's tulips. And over here it's tulips too. As you can see, they're sprouting now. So let's try to remove some of this in here. So that's tulips, guys. Even if that's ice, snow still, yeah, they're growing now already. Look at that. Wow, look at them. It's a lot. I didn't see in here this area. Okay, I got it over here. So over here, there. Oops, in here. Ayan, that's the tulips. Tulips in here. I know they got in here, guys. Tulips in here, and something is in here growing too. And I saw some area of this in here. Because we plant a lot of tulips in here, guys. So something is sprouting already, but let's find out if we can find those. Where are you? Let's see. Oh, my hands is frozen already, so I'm gonna use this. Let's see if I can find those. Uh-oh, Looks like we can't. Let's get some big. Yan. Yeah, it's already in here too, guys. Because the snow for how many days is, I think the snow is melted last week. I think last week. Yeah, so all the snow is melted last week. So that's why I saw some of the tulips in here that it's already grow. Because we plant tulips all the way in here, going down there, straight ahead, and go farther over there. So I need to clean this area because that's a daily list. But I can see now, this one is the tulips. As you can see, na? That's tulips, guys. So let's see, let's clean that. So that's the tulips, as you can see, yeah. And then they got something in here too. Tulips in here. Nope, we can't find it. So better luck next time if the snow is totally melted. And this one in here, guys, we got another tulips that my husband grow long time ago. So they're sprouting na. This one in here, as you can see, yeah. So I think I need to remove this today. I need to clean this today. Na all the tulips, as you can see. And over here also we got tulips over here. My husband did that also from last long time ago. Okay, so over here, guys, as you can see, this green, I'm gonna show you a bunch. Wait, in here. Okay, in here, guys, as you can see that, as you can see this, that's a daily list. So what we need to do, let's remove this, guys, but before that I need to get my gloves. Okay, so guys, ayan yung sa likod namin, no? So sa likod namin is may snow pa rin. Okay, pero ang natin for today's video is mag clean tayo sa front yard. Wait, check natin. Okay, so guys, maglinis na tayo today. So ito lang talaga ang linisin ko lang dito. Tanggalin mo yung mga yung patay na dahon para makita ang bulaklak. asawa, ano na ginagawa ko? Okay, so natapos na tayo, as in mild lang paglinis ko kasi pag ano guys, pag nirake ko siya, ano, matigas talaga. Ayaw ko masira yung rake namin kasi ito yung favorite na rake ko. Sobrang liit lang siya. So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga bulaklak na tumutubo na. Okay, tara. Okay guys, so dito na tayo na. So, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ito yung tulips. Ito yung tulips namin na tumubo na talaga siya. Ayan, tumubo na talaga siya. Totally. Yung tubo. Tsaka yung yun doon, yun yung daylilies. Pero ang gusto ko sana, i-remove ko yung daylilies na close sa bahay kasi sobrang dami na nga. Ayun, sobrang dami doon hanggang doon. So, gusto ko siyang i-remove pag ano na, pag spring na. Tapos ibibigay ko siya sa friend ko. So, ito yung mga tulips natin. As you can see, yan. Yan yung tulips. 'Di ba? So, yung tulips natin is malaki na. Medyo na sila malaki. Katulad nito. Katulad nito. Yan. Yan, mga tulips yan. 'Di ba? Tumutubo na sila nga. So, meron kaming ibang tulips dito. Ayan. Ito tulips din to. Yan, tulips din yan. Pero pag ganito guys, ganyan. Yan yung mga daylilies. As in, tumubo na talaga siya. Ayan. So, ayan yan. Mild lang ang nilinis ko. Kasi, ano naman meron pang later. So, ito, yan, tulips din yan dyan. Tsaka yan dyan, tulips din. At syempre, yung mga tanim ni Vida na tulips, tumubo na. Ayan na, oh. So, yan yung mga, ano guys, mga dahon ng daylilies na sobrang dami. So, yan, kukunin ni asawa yan dyan. Ilalagay sa bag. Tapos, ayan lang. Kahit konti, nalinisan naman siya. 'Di ba? Kahit maliit man lang ang linis natin, which is okay naman. Nakikita naman ang progress. So, ito yung ano, sedum namin. So, i-check natin dito kasi may daffodil dito. Tingnan natin. Ay, hala! Tumubo na talaga sila, guys. Yan, oh. Yan yung daffodil natin. So, hindi ko din nalinisan dito. Same sa front. Kasi nga, ano, ayan, daffodil natin. Kasi nga, nag-early ang snow. So, hindi ko siya nalinisan. Yung pagkalanta ng dahon, hindi ko agad na kasi nga nag-snow na nga, guys. Yung sabi ko sa inyo, na nag-snow na ng early dito. So, hindi natin siya ma-remove yung mga dahon, di ba? So, sabi ni asawa, nahayaan na lang. Or kung ano lang, next year na lang kami maglilinis. So, ayan na. Marami tayong daffodil. Yan. Color yellow naman ang bulaklak nito. So, ipakita ko sa inyo guys sa next video pag malaki na sila. Okay? Para may kayo. May idea kung ano yung daffodil na sinasabi ko. So, ayan siya. Halang dami niya talaga. Andun din. So, meron din dito. Yan. Meron din dito. Ayan. Tumubo na talaga sila. Kaso madami ding mga madami ding mga weeds. So, kailangan talagang i-remove yung mga weeds, guys. Okay. So, ayan na nga. Tumubo na nga sila. Yan. Ito din, bulaklak din yan. Dati, akala ko, weeds yan. Kaya nire-remove ko. So, hindi pala. Yan yung purple na ibang bulaklak din. So, at 2 years now, hinahayaan ko na lang sila guys kasi ang ganda niya. So ipapakita ko din yan sa inyo after na mag ano na sila guys, magbulaklak na ba, pag malaki na. So ipapakita ko din sa inyo yan. So yung roses namin, ayan, mag ano na to, mag 3 years na ata, o parang 3 years na ata ang rose namin, pero ganun pa din siya. Kailangan ko nga siyang i-trim ba para matatanggal naman yung ibang ano niya. So yan lang. So yun lang for today's video. Sa may lupa na tayo, kumakain na tayo ng lupa. So yun lang for today's video kasi sobrang dami pa talagang snow dito. Ayan o. So snow pa rin sa ano ko, sa mga likuran ko. Yan. So yun na nga guys, and thank you for watching. So tara na. So bye everybody.